Yeah, so shall we start? Um, I want you guys to be interactive. As you can see, 20 questions, 20 minutes. So I would like you guys to answer, be a little bit responsive. I want everyone to participate, answer as soon as possible. Timing is very less. So let's start with question number 1, shall we? Yes? Chat Vanda, please be responsible over the phone. Can we start? Hello. Okay, great. Okay, so how about the first one? First question is just to fill in the blank. Prepositions. Which preposition would fit into over here correctly? I'm writing to inquire. Preposition. You inquire of something or about something or into something. Why no answer? I don't want chat answers, ma. Okay, your name and registration number you can put it in the chat box, but otherwise answer அப்படியே சொல்லுங்க. Yes, Alan is only answering. What about others? Okay, anyways, let's go to question number 2. Dash having a lunch. Now this question has 3 blanks. Can you answer this? இல்லை இது ஏற்கனவே பண்ணியிருக்கீங்களா இந்த பேப்பர்? Any other staff has done this paper? Hello? Yes, Pugarendi, you are saying something? ஹலோ, எல்லாரும் இருக்கீங்களா? இல்லை ஆன் பண்ணி விட்டு டிவி பார்த்துட்டு இருக்கீங்களா? என்னம்மா? Option B. After under for after having a lunch, she stood under the tree, waited with him. Waited for him. Okay, fine. Okay, question number 3. Come on. Yes, very good. Fish are making it into adulthood to be caught by trawlermen. Even though you may not know this name, know the meaning of this word, you can probably mean some kind of people, some men. So that is how you find out by men. Okay. One new type of question. Choose the word nearest in meaning to the word in italics. So in this particular paper, we don't have. We kind of flicked this paper from a few students who attended this exam. So I will highlight that word. This jacket is impervious. This is the word which is in italics. So they want to know the word which is closest in meaning. This jacket is impervious to water means what? Hello, other people also answer. Hello, இருக்கீங்களா? Or I have to call out names. Surender, you are trying to say something. Hello, can you guys be responsive? Answers, takkan sollunga. This is the latest paper which was in Mumbai, ma. Yes, Shruti, tell me. Impervious means dirty to water, Are you sure? Does it make sense? It cannot be dirty because, see, jacket is impervious means impenetrable. That means it is probably waterproof. Okay, it cannot be dirty to water. It doesn't make sense, isn't it? Jacket is dirty, you can say, but dirty to water doesn't make sense. So obviously that answer cannot be that. Okay, next question. Chandan was chagrined with the continuous disruption of the power supply to his home. Now, do you know the meaning of chagrined? Maybe many of us haven't heard of this word, but still, when it comes to an exam, how do you answer this question? Can anyone guess the answer? How did you come to that? Yeah, that is the correct answer. Yeah, by the meaning of the sentence. First of all, it says there was disruption of power. Now, when power is not there in your house continuously for a long time, then what would your mood be? Your mood would be very bad, correct? You would obviously be very irritated, right? So, you obviously look for a negative word which is close to chagrined. But in the options, this is a positive word, this is a positive word, so is security, which is also positive. But peeved means angered or irritated. So, chagrined is close to peeved. So, even though you don't know the meaning of a word, this is how you guess. Okay, next one. The latest ordinance issued by the government has provided the bank with two options. What can be the answer, ma? Okay, what is the difference? Now you have chosen this. I tell you this is wrong because I say decision and verdict are the same meaning. It has to be law. See, how it cannot be decision is, a decision and a verdict mean the same. In a court, when a judge gives a verdict, it is a decision that he takes and he gives the verdict. But after giving the verdict, there is a law which is made. Okay, now if a government issues a verdict, after that it gives a law. Okay, so the law is the final thing that is issued. Now, how do you know that decision is wrong? Because there are two options which have the same meaning out of 4. So, obviously they cannot be the answer. So, please remember this in MCQ strategies. Okay, next one. Easy question. Articles. Come on, fill in the blank. Read carefully and answer. Seventh question. A great writer is convinced. Why did you choose this? You are right, but why did you choose it? Are you talking about one particular writer or are you talking about writers in general? Very good. So, any great writer would be convinced of this particular thing. That is why you have chosen A. Nice. Good answer. Thank you. Question number 8. And then second blank. Spending. Are you sure? No. Yeah. How can it be a spending? It has to be the spending. Both places the. Okay. Next one. The officer received Chia. Okay, this one, correct. An official letter from the Ministry of IT in the central bank. Good, fine, excellent. Next one, 10th one. Yes, an uneducated man into the world of technology. Very nice. Okay, 11 to 20 are purely based on reading comprehension. So, we will share these files later with you. So, maybe you can do that on your own. We need not do reading comprehension right now. One more thing is, okay, since you guys have been attending various trainings, various tests you have been attending, I don't know whether this has been shared with you, but these are the topics that you will face in verbal ability. Okay, so maybe you can take a screenshot of this. This is particularly for Accenture. Do you want to take a screenshot of this, or shall I just scroll down? Hello? Anyone? Venma mama? Ah, okay. Yeah? You can take a screenshot of this also. There's nothing new. It's majorly the topics are depending on whatever we have done so far. Nothing majorly new, but you might have this one word substitution is a new one. We'll see a few examples of that today also. And then this joining sentences is a new type of question. But otherwise, most of the other questions you would have already faced in other tests or sample questions that we have given before. Like even para jumbles, these are all simple questions which we have already faced. Plural forms, all these are related to grammar, fill in the blanks and all that. Obviously, odd word out and reading comprehension you have done, but few new questions here and there. So, let's see one by one, few more questions that appeared in the recent exams. Come on. Okay, first thing is sentence improvement. In this type of question, you have to, you are given a sentence, there is something wrong with this sentence, so they are giving you 4 options in order to correct this sentence in terms of grammar.